Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back again to my channel. So today, I received an Auto AI box from the official store of Ownice. So basically, this AI box will turn your factory wired CarPlay into full Android operating system. So if your OEM stereo supports CarPlay functionality, you can use this product to enjoy and experience Android. This device also converts wired CarPlay and Android Auto into wireless connection. Just a quick run through before we unbox this product. This device runs Android version 11. Inside is a Qualcomm 6125 8-core CPU. It has 4 GB of RAM and a 64 GB of internal storage. Expandable up to 128 GB via micro SD card. Also, this device has built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, and it supports SIM card for 4G LTE data connection. Okay, so with this device, you can still keep your original controls. It works with your car steering wheel, nav controls, and touchscreen. This device also supports voice control. Just say, "Hey Siri" for CarPlay and "Hey Google" for Android. Okay guys, so now let's do the unboxing. This is the Ownice A5. So if you guys interested in buying this product, I will put the link in my description. But before buying this product, make sure your factory car stereo supports wired CarPlay. But if not, this will not work for you, so just keep that in mind. Okay guys, so this is the Ownice A5. It has beautiful design, looks like a laser disc. At the back, it has aluminum round sheet to prevent from heating. On top of the device, you can insert a micro SD card up to 128 GB, and this is the port where you connect the USB Type-C cable. On the side of the device, there's a slot to insert your SIM card. Just open this by inserting a pin in the hole. The package includes two USB cables. One USB Type-C to USB Type-A, and the other one is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. This is the SIM card eject pin, which is also included in the package. Just gently insert the pin in the hole to eject the SIM card tray. Okay, so once ejected, just pull the SIM card tray just like that. I do have a nano SIM card right here. We can use this one for our data or internet connection. If you guys don't have SIM card, you can use Wi-Fi or personal hotspot in order to connect to the internet. Now once you're done putting the SIM on the tray, just put it back and you're good to go. Okay, now let's connect the device into my head unit or infotainment system. I'll be using a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Let's insert this one in the Ownice A5, and the other one will be in the USB Type-C port of my car. The cable is now inserted, so let's just wait for a few seconds for the device to boot up. So this is my infotainment's original user interface. Once the Ownice A5 boots up, it will convert this to Android operating system. Okay, so it's now loading up. Let's just wait for the device to completely start up. And there you go. We can now experience the full functionality of Android operating system. Okay, so this is the user interface of the Ownice A5. We got some pre-installed apps in here. We got YouTube and YouTube Music. We also have Netflix, Waze, and VLC player installed in here. Okay, so let's try opening the Netflix application. And let's try watching a movie clip if it's working. And let's try this one. So yeah, it's nice and clear, great sound quality, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so let's stop and go back so we can avoid being copyrighted. Okay, now let's test the YouTube application. Let's try playing a video and let's see if the quality is good or not. Okay, let's play a high definition video. Let's just set this up to the highest quality. So as you can see here, it has great quality when playing video, and I don't have any complaints at all. Now let's try playing music. Let's open the Google Play Store and download Spotify. Let's wait for a few seconds to install this application. Okay, let me just sign in into my account. Let's try skipping the music using my steering wheel controls. Okay, so no problem in controlling the music using the steering wheel, and that's a plus factor for me, so my eyes is still on the road without touching the screen. You can tap the app drawer right here if you want to view all your applications. The home screen interface can be changed whenever you want. Of course, this is an Android. All you have to do is download some launchers on Google Play Store. Let's try the Car Web Guru launcher. Okay, so this is the Car Web Guru launcher. On this launcher, there are lots of themes to choose from. You can also download some launchers out there like the Vivid Launcher, Car Launcher, Agama Launcher, and many more. Okay, so this device has built-in Google Maps. And the good thing about this device is that the GPS or the Global Positioning System is already built in. And you can see all the GPS signals from here. Okay guys, now let's try connecting my iPhone to Apple CarPlay wirelessly. First thing you have to do is to tap and open the AI Link application. Now on your iPhone, go to Settings, then turn on your Bluetooth and look and connect to the device called OW AI Box. Now tap Pair. Tap Allow to sync all your contacts. This is just a one-time setting. When you connect the second time, it will be faster and it will automatically open the CarPlay right away. Just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now tap the Use CarPlay. And now it is connected wirelessly. It's very much convenient and you don't need to put your cable on. So my compatible apps are all here. Okay, now this time let's try connecting my Android smartphone to Android Auto. Just tap and open again the AI Link app. On your phone, go to Settings and turn on Bluetooth. Now tap the OW AI Box. Tap Pair. Tap Yes to access your contacts. Now let's wait for a few seconds. It is now being connected. And there you go. You can now use Android Auto wirelessly. So all my compatible apps are all here as well. One more thing I like in this device is that you can change the brand color according to your liking or preference. To change the color of the brand logo, just go to the settings and look for the LED color settings. This one right here. Okay, so let's try the red one. So now it changes to color red. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, so let's try other colors. Let's try the green one. Purple. And other colors. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this product, make sure to buy only at the official store of Ownice. I will put the link of their store so you can buy it or order directly from them. Or if you're not decided yet, please click the link in my description to visit their official store to learn more about this product. So that's everything, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and share it to your friends. If you're not a subscriber on this channel yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to keep you updated on my latest videos. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope to see you on my next video.